Okay, so here's a question. How do you identify a product from a sentence? So there are a bunch of sample sentences here, and this user, Goel Abhishek, wanted the ability for it to extract um, if some of these sentences had a product name in it. Um, and or which one of these sentences had a product in it, and potentially even extract the product. And he is using GPT 3.5 Turbo Instruct. Max token is 30. And here's a good example. And here's simple, if else statements that's been added in. And it was said that you could potentially fine tune it, which seems interesting. You could do embedding, but I think there's also another way, which is just really good prompt engineering. So what I've done is I've taken that prompt here. So determine if the following sentence contain the product name, text, and the product name. Right. So I've got the examples here. So I'm going to use the following way to do it. I'm going to just add a little bit more context here just to set the system. You are an expert sort of product. You're an extra product person, and knows how to identify products within a given sentence. Yeah, you can also extract the. Let's stop there, right? And then I'm gonna go determine if the following sentence contains the product name. You've got the text and the product name, etc. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it some examples. So example one, text, sign into your account, NA, right? So I'm gonna use that as an example. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it example two. Let me move myself back there. What I'm going to do is, let's say, enjoy the benefits of Prime. So ideally, there's a product in there which is Prime. So I'm going to extract that. And then I'm going to do one more example just so that I can give it more context around this. Let's take one more positive example. So let's say iPhone 13 is passed. Actually, let's just do yes. Yes. And then for this one, let's do no. So I've just taken some of these examples and I've given it as prompts. Now what I can do is I can give it a prompt here. So determine if the following sentence. So that's going to be my prompt that I do every single time. Let me take all of these things off, right? Because I've already given it my examples. Let me go back and let me pick something else. So let's say see more. I'm going to put that in here. And I'm going to say, that's what I want you to extract. I want you to give me a yes or a no answer. This person had set it so that threshold was 0.7, so I assume that's temperature. I'm going to do 0.0. I'm going to do 30 because we don't even need 30. We just need 20. All we are expecting is a yes or a no answer. Now that I have this, I'm going to hit submit. So it's going to give me a no, right? Fairly simple way to do that. So essentially what I've done is I've just defined who this person is, define what the AI need to do, give it 3 examples and how it needs to give me the response, and it kind of worked. Let's do up to 53% off. I'm going to take that one off, remove this and apply that. Nope, that's correct. Let's do something, let's do air conditioners. Let's do air conditioners. Submit. Yes. Right. So this is like version 1. How do you get how do you test if there's a product in that sentence or not? Um, Again, this was just a simple question of yes and a no. I'm going to post this in comments, and you can do a lot more with this. You can now give it more examples. If you gave it an example that said product name, and then if you gave it another one that said extracted product name, and you gave it an example of NA, in here you gave it Prime, in here you gave it iPhone 13, and then you asked it to do it again, both product name and extract product name, it would give you both of that. So you can kind of play around with it. I haven't messed around with any of the other things. I'm just using GPT 3.5 Turbo. Hope this helps. Let me know if I can help you in any way.